All right, I just quickly wanted to walk you through this Eclipse Gizmo. I know it's been a while since we've done Gizmo, so if you're on the peak at the week, it'll look like this. If you are on Schoology, it'll look like this. There's links for both, so I'm just going to click the Schoology link, and it'll bring you to a page that looks just like this. It might ask you to sign in. That's what we worked in on class, so we should hopefully be able to all sign in. You're just going to launch the Gizmo here. And again, we're working with eclipses today, so you should be doing an Eclipse Gizmo. And as you click play, the moon is slowly going to orbit. As you remember, it takes 28 days for the moon to orbit. And you'll slowly see a solar eclipse take place. You'll see a lunar eclipse take place. The important part is to just play around a little bit with it. Show moon shadow, maybe get rid of earth shadow, slow it down, maybe move the moon farther, move the moon closer, play around with it a little bit because there are going to be questions regarding those. So once you've played around a little bit, you can jump on down to the quiz questions here, and you'll see there's just 5 quiz questions. Make sure you answer all 5 questions. I am hoping that people get a 3 out of, if you get 1 out of 5 or 2 out of 5, that's probably not a good sign. You might not get full credit because you should be able to be more successful than that if you played around with a gizmo, if you put forth a lot of effort. So for example, which image shows a solar eclipse happening? That's something that we should all get. So I'm not going to take much more time explaining this. Outside of doing this gizmo, use today as a catch-up day. This gizmo should not take you a crazy amount of time. So make sure that if you have time, or you're going to have time, if you dedicate 30 minutes to science, this gizmo will not take you 30 minutes. So use the rest of the time to catch up if you are somebody that has missing assignments. And I look forward to seeing all of you soon.